Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see the solution for remove duplicates for sorted array. So suppose we are given a sorted array in ascending order, which has duplicates element. We have to return the same array by altering it in a manner that whatever the duplicate elements are there, we are going to return it just one time. So just 0 will be one time, 1 will be one time. And once it covers all the elements of the original array. After that, all the elements that was originally in this array will remain the same. So we're not going to touch this. We're just going to alter the number of duplicates array into one and going to combine that in the same array and return it. So let us get started. For approaching this question, one of the best technique will be two pointers technique. So what we are going to do is we're going to keep one variable that is going to point towards, that is going to stay at this place and only move if the condition is satisfied. And the other pointer is going to iterate through this array. So for that, we have to run this loop to 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. So this I is the another pointer. X is first pointer and I is second pointer. So our condition will be such that if array of I is greater than array of X, okay, this original pointer, if it is lesser than I, then what we are going to do is we are going to increment X and then we are just going to give it array of X is equals to array of I. So every time array of I is greater than array of X, we are going to make this value as similar to X, but before that we have to increment the value of X. This is very important here. So if we try to console our array now and check if it works fine. So you can see the expected output is the same as what we have got here. All the duplicates elements are just shown for one time and all the remaining elements are shown as it is. So yes, this is the solution for this question. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.